Hello peeps, so today is something different. I actually already begin to play with this, but I was thinking I take you with me and show what I'm doing today. So as I have a little bit easier day at work and I decide to finally do it because I getting those blinking lamps at the car, so I need to change brake pads. No, I forgot this one. And I believe it's the one of the easiest repair at the car, so everyone should know how to do it. So let me just show you how to do that easy job, so next time you all can just do it yourself instead of paying money. Let me just drop this one in here, just like that, so you all can see what I'm doing. So first of all, we need to lift then very important things, secure it with something like that. And now as it's secured, we can even leave it on the jack as well, plus those security, or just take the jack off. I just leave it on both of them. So caps are off. There we go. Wheel off. And yeah, as you can see, I got this protection just right under this screw in here, so if something fall down, it will be on it. Either way, we need to take out two screws, one in here and we need to hold it with another key in here. Just like so. And the same thing from the downstairs. It's too dark in here. Anyway, There we go. Screw number 2. And our brake pads holder supposed to just come out like that. So we got our pads, old one, so almost finished. Same as here, as you can see, I believe. Comparing to the new one, it's slightly big difference. Now it's a little bit. No, now it's better. Anyway, so what next? Just get wire brush. Try to clean it a little bit. And next procedure will be to push our cylinders back in. So let's just put those in here, just like so. Get one old pad, keep the shielding, put it on the place, and with such a easy tool, just push it in. Just like so. Yeah, they are all the way in. Both of them. As you can see. So now we give a little brush in here, and that will be it. We get our new pad, put our shielding on it. It's fairly clean, but yeah. So we got one ready. No, from this one I did take, from this one I don't take the shielding. So come on, get the second new pad, put it in, and like so, just put them on the place. Same with the other one. Well, we put back together our cylinders, and same procedure. 2 new screws we get with these pads, so we put them back. Just like that. Screw it fast. Hard, I mean. No. Sorry. But not all the way at once. leave a little bit loose, get the second one. And now we can make it right. And that's it. Later on we get back our wheel. They're going back on, just like so. Screws, when you're using impact wrench, always start with your fingers so we don't destroy the thread. And then we screw it fast. Almost last thing what we need to do. Take our dynamometric key, make sure it screw it right. There we go, that's finished. We got our new parts on the car. Now we can remove our protection from there. And put the car down. And that's it. So, finished. So I will do one more wheel. This one is a little bit more complicated because you have to turn those cylinders as you're pushing it inside. But anyway, I will just play with it and then yeah, it will be finished. Other side I already made. Just want to show you how easy it is. So hope you all guys enjoy that quick how to do video, and I will say take care and see you at the next one. Bye everyone.